If you still need to head out to the polls, we're looking at temperatures holding in the 60s and the clouds hanging around into the overnight. Most of those showers we saw earlier today tracking well off towards the east this afternoon. Out of the KSN viewing area, a few sprinkles still trying to linger in south central Kansas, but for the most part, our showers are done for today and cloud cover will be left behind in its wake. Our next cold front, though, waiting out in the wings off towards the northwest. That'll start to track closer to us as we move forward into the middle of the week. Showers and thunderstorms expected with that cold front, but before we see that front swing through, winds today will be strong out of the south, pulling in warmer temperatures and helping us see the cloud cover stick around as moisture lingers in our atmosphere. We're in the 60s right now for most of us across the region, 71 in Garden City and down in Liberal, 66 in Hayes, 63 here in Wichita. Skies will stay cloudy throughout the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures climbing into the upper 60s today. Again, strong southerly winds will be the main trend as we head into the rest of this evening, but we stay warm into the overnight. 62 degrees expected to be our overnight low, so very comfortable conditions as we start Wednesday. We'll see those warmer trends follow us with strong southerly winds ushering in the warmth from the south, and we've already seen gusts out west up to 45 miles per hour in Garden City, 51-mile-per-hour gusts reported in Goodland. Those stronger winds will start to track into the more central portion of the state. We should see widespread gusts today up to 40 miles per hour at times. Again, this is ahead of our next cold front that'll be working its way in as we look towards Thursday. And with this cold front comes some stronger storms. Because of that, we have anywhere from a slight to marginal risk across portions of central and off towards the eastern part of the state. What that means for you is that we'll be seeing isolated to scattered storms that could produce some severe thunderstorms at times. And this is as that cold front swings in. So rain today, moving out. We see strong winds follow us into Wednesday as well as the cloud cover. And then by Thursday morning, early, late Wednesday night, those storms will start to fire up off towards the northwest first, slowly tracking across the state. These are going to be quick moving storms, very strong winds associated with them as they track across the state of Kansas, potentially some hail mixed in as well, but the strong winds are going to be the main impacts we're worrying about as this cold front moves through. And behind that cold front, northerly flow moves in, and that's what's going to cause our dramatic temperature swing as we look ahead towards next weekend. We're in the 70s tomorrow, upper 70s at that, holding on to the 70s the Thursday, but then we crash back into the 40s as we look towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Overnight lows falling below freezing as we look towards the 20s Friday night into Saturday. Story's the same for north central Kansas. Showers today start to subside, but we're looking at the mid 70s for our highs tomorrow. Cold front arrives late Wednesday night into Thursday, 60s on Thursday, back into the 40s as we continue on into the weekend. For southwestern Kansas, cloud cover sticks around today. Upper 70s expected tomorrow, might even flirt with the 80s, but we fall back into the 40s, overnight lows in the 20s by the time we continue on into the weekend. Northwestern Kansas sees temperatures in the upper 70s and mid 70s for the next 2 days, but overnight lows crash into the teens as we head Friday into Saturday, and they continue on in that cooling trend as we look towards the weekend. We'll be back with more news and weather coming up after the break.